Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I thought I would do a Mercari tutorial on how to get the best shipping rates for Mercari and on how to make sure that your item sells. This is what works for me and I hope this helps you guys to sell your stuff and to get the best shipping rates. So if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share with your friends if they need help too, and make sure to watch all my other Mercari videos. And again, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. I will answer them if I know the answer to them. And yeah, any questions, concerns, yeah, just leave them in the comment section. And okay, so the very first thing that you guys want to do is open up Mercari. So that is what I'm going to do on my phone, is open up Mercari. And so this is how my Mercari looks. So the way that you guys could tell what an item is priced at or what it could be sold for is by searching it up. So if you guys wanted to sell an iPhone XS Max, you could see how much they sold for by pressing on sold. So it shows you right here that in the last 13 hours somebody bought an iPhone XS Max and they paid $137 and $11.50 for shipping. And then some other people bought iPhones for $409. So you could see what it's priced at. And so if you wanted to sell your phone, you would just price it at one of those price points. This is just like an example. It's like Converse, so let's just see. This is just random. So Converse sold for 11 or 30, depends what kind of Converse. So that's how you would look on how you would sell the item and for how much it would sell for, about how much you could get for it. So like Target boots sold for 13 or 9. So if you guys have stuff like laying around your house and you want to get rid of it, you guys could just search it up right there and see what it sold for and see if you guys could get some money for it. Or if you guys go to a thrift store or a yard sale and you guys find stuff, you guys could just look it up, how much it's worth, how much it costs. So the next thing that I'm going to talk about is the shipping rates. So if you guys go to, okay, you guys are gonna go to sell, list an item, and then you guys could see, okay, I'm selling these Michael Kors shoes, and you would just fill it up. Michael Kors sneakers. I'm going to link a tutorial on how to use Mercari in depth right here, so you guys could see. Shoes, gold. Okay, you would fill all of that in, and I show you guys in another tutorial how to do all that. So on how to get the best shipping rates, this is how you get the best shipping rates. So if this item weighed 2 pounds, up to 2 pounds, US priority mail, it ships it for $12. So that's a lot of money. And then FedEx, it ships it for $14. But FedEx Smart Post, it ships it for $7.99. So if I was to ship shoes, I would just choose the $7.99. Oh my god, my mouth, sorry guys, I got my wisdom teeth removed and my mouth's been weird. So yeah, $7.99. I would just ship it with the $7.99 or $7.84, because most likely people aren't gonna wanna they're not gonna want to pay for shipping. So right here, $7.99 or $7.84, yeah, $7.99 or $7.84 instead of paying $11.50. It does take long for them to ship out the item and for them to get it, but you would get a better shipping rate for the item. And you would just do the same like for 1 pound. 1 pound, you guys could just ship it $5.99 USPS first class if you guys are in the US. Yeah, but the way that I would ship anything that weighs like 3 to 5 pounds, even if it weighs 5 pounds, you would still get the best shipping rate with FedEx Smart Post. So that is how you get the best shipping rate for Mercari. And yeah, and most likely whoever is the buyer, they will want to pay $10 instead of 35 for shipping, or you know, $11.50 or $16. They do not want to pay that much for shipping. So yeah, and when you guys post your stuff, most likely they will buy it because it's cheap shipping. And yeah, so that is how you get the best shipping rates. And yeah, so that is it for this video. I'm sorry if it's so short. If you guys want to check out my other Mercari videos, they're gonna be in the link in the description. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this helps.